Have you been trying to start your own seasoning line? Have you thought about it? You have no idea where to start? Is it something that's been on your mind for a while and you're just trying to figure out what's the best option, what's the best place to go, where do you go, who do you talk to help you in this new journey, right? Or maybe you have a product and you're in the middle somewhere and you're trying to figure out what to do next. Any step of this whole process of starting a seasoning line, I am here to help you. So I just want to go over a few things that we can talk about in terms of showing you what I did to launch my seasoning line. I created over 20 different products, these being all plant-based, from pancake and waffles to seasoning and spices, you name it. I've done research, tons of time in terms of finding the right vendors, finding the right people to talk to, label creation, printing, packaging, all of that good stuff. So this is something that's very close and dear to my heart, and I would love to take you on this journey and show you what I've done to launch my product. I created this product for a few reasons. One, for me, when I started, it was very difficult. I ran into a lot of trouble in terms of finding a vendor that I can rely on and trust. There are some companies out there that will just take your money and then you're left empty-handed, or you're left with a product that is not something you're gonna be proud of. All right, so for me, I wanted to take away the doubt, and I wanted to really take away the worry from you, the customer, in terms of sharing with you the mistakes and the experiences that I dealt with creating my different products. For instance, my pancake and waffle mix, this took approximately 6 to 7 months because we tested recipe after recipe after recipe because I wanted it to be perfect. The vanilla, I wanted to be there. I wanted you to open up the packaging of this pancake and waffle mix and really smell what it smells like. You could almost taste it without even eating it, right? That's just what I wanted to create, the whole experience of opening up the package. Same thing for the spices. I wanted you to, as soon as you open it up, the aroma, everything is just right there. You know exactly what's in this container. You know what you're getting, right? So the whole idea is for you to be able to do what I've done without any of the mistakes, right? I want to share with you all of this. So this product, this is why I created this, because it's my way of giving back to everyone in terms of me taking away all of the mistakes, all of the things that was not good for launching a product, and giving you all of the goods, right? And I also want to give you all of the things that didn't work, so this way you don't have to do those things or run into those issues. What I'm offering in this particular product are a few things, and these things go into more detail, but I will just touch on the very broad topics of what they are, right? From the steps to launching, sourcing, finding the product, prepping for the product, and actually launching the product. We go through all of it. Label creation, vendors, you name it. This product will give you all of that good stuff, all right? And where you can find this product or anything else that I'm offering is at www.thechefandthewigmaker.com. And you will also be able to capitalize on what worked for me as well.